Let me tell you something you already know. The world is not always full of sunshine and rainbows. It can be a very mean and nasty place, and it doesn't care how tough you are. It will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. Don't allow your emotions to control you. Yes, we are emotional, but let's start by disciplining your emotions. If you don't discipline and control your emotion, then we'll use you. Here are 7 things you should know and understand about life.
It is during our darkest moments we must focus to see the light.
Number 1. Unless you choose to let them, your circumstances will never determine who you are. Let me share a small life lesson with you. If you are fortunate enough to reach adulthood, there's a 100% chance, yes, 100% probability, that life will dish you up some things that you did not plan for, nor did you want in your life experience. These things are called character-building moments, life lessons, challenges sent maybe to give your life more meaning. Maybe just something you need to deal with in your own time, in your own way. Wayne Dyer once said, if you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. When you change the way you look at these life challenges, sometimes you will find they are not problems or misfortunes, but redirections, sometimes blessings. Maya Angelou said, you may not control all of the events that happen to you, but you can decide not to be reduced by them. Don't fight against life when challenges come, as I guarantee they will. See if you can continue to give your best to the present moment in front of you. Be open to the fact that you do not know how anything will turn out, including this hard moment in front of you. Trust that it was for the best for you or for someone else.
Business, we have no way of proving we or anything else exists. And yet, what it is and why we have it remain a mystery that some of the greatest minds have been unable to solve.
Another mystery.
The only way I know I exist
exists to